So in this lecture I'm going to start a tutorial about Python. The websites that I will use in this lecture or in this tutorial are W3 School, Java Point, and some other books like, for example, Python How to Program, and I will cover all of this in around about 100 videos about our Python tutorials. So first of all, I'm already in Python tutorials in W3 School website, and I will introduce and I will do or implement some of these programs gradually. So first of all, my name is Said Mudassir, and I'm going to start the Python programming. First of all, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language, and why Python is very popular in today's world. Python is very popular in our programming language world because it implements both object-oriented programming language and structured or procedure programming language, because it is both structured and object-oriented, and also because lots of mathematics is involved in Python, because we can solve lots of mathematical equation, we can solve problem that require structural procedure programming, and we can solve program that require object-oriented approach. So that's why Python is very important. So we start with Python. First of all, Python is a unique language because in other programming language we have to follow a strict structure, but in Python we use in English like statement. Like, for example, if you want to print something on the screen, we just use the word print. It is very easy because most and all of these statements that we are using is like in English like structure. We can use Python to create web application. Web application can also be created using Python application. For example, learning by example, if we try this, if we want to print out something, there is no pre-directive in Python that we use hash include, like for example in C language or IOStream or something like that. We do not use them, and we can just, for example, just like our normal everyday English, we can use or print statement, something like that. For example, in the first statement there is print hello world. So if I want to, for example, write this thing, I go to, for example, I go to Anaconda prompt, and in this I write Jupyter. Why it doesn't come here? Jupyter notebook. We can come right here as well. From this website we can also go, for example, to write something, or we can just write it in Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt is also used, for example, to write something in the Python. We can, for example, just write it right there. So this a scan. So I'm going to move it to a split screen kind of situation, that it is split, so we can do both things at once. I came to new, I came to text file, not text file, I came to new, and I came to Python 3. So for example, here is an example. It is very easy. What I can write is write print, and after print, because it is a string, so we use double quotation, and inside string, for example, I write hello comma, for example, world. So after that there is no require, for example, for semicolons or new line character or something like that. So I just ran it, so here the new line is printed itself. So that's why it is very easy. The Python is very easy. For example, in this example, insert the missing part of the code below. That output is hello world. Hello world output should be printed. So what we did right, what functionality we do use? The print functionality is used for this kind of thing, that we use print, and this will be used. For example, in the next part, in the intro part, what is it? We say Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Gidwan Rossum in the Python was released in 1991. It is used for this kind of thing: web development, software development, mathematics, because I already stated that